back to another episode of This or That. Today we're going to be comparing Cosrx's retinols from their RX line, which is all about derm skincare. So we have the Retinol 0.1 cream and the Retinol 0.5 oil. Now both of these have some similarities which we'll get into before we get into the differences. Now obviously both of these products have retinol as their key ingredient, and pure retinol is known for being excellent at improving pores, fine lines, wrinkles and your skin texture. However, with a lot of retinols, the effects may vary because it oxidizes on contact with air or water. But Cosrx has formulated an extremely stable formula that is in both the Retinol 0.1 cream and the Retinol 0.5 oil, and we are going to see the benefits of both in this video, so stay tuned. The other common ingredient that both of these products have is something called super vitamin E. Now this is slightly different from other kinds of vitamin E that you might see in other products. So super vitamin E, also called tocotrienol in this formula, is very good at reducing visible signs of aging, and it also helps repair skin damage. The two retinol products are also similar in terms of the usage instructions that Cosrx has. The brand recommends that you start by using it 3 times a week and then slowly increase the frequency. This applies to both the 0.1% cream and the 0.5% oil. And finally, with storage, both of these products are ideally meant to be stored in your refrigerator and at about 3 to 10 degrees to make sure that they are stable and you can use them for the amount of time you need. Okay, similarities are done, so let's get into the differences and which one you should pick. If you want to watch any part of this video in particular, there are timestamps in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe because we have great skincare content coming up on our channel. Now, starting with the cream, this uses a highly concentrated 0.1% of pure retinol. It also has other ingredients to help boost the formula. It uses shea butter, which really helps control dryness. It also contains meroform seed oil, which helps with keeping your skin well moisturized and also nourished. And it has very mild concentrations of glutathione, ethyl ascorbic acid, hyaluronic acid, all of which help boost the retinol formula. The retinol oil uses a highly concentrated 0.5% of pure retinol, and it doesn't use any water in this serum. It also has squalane as its first ingredient to make sure that your skin stays calm and it prevents any kind of irritation. And squalane also helps control any dryness and it keeps your skin well moisturized. The formula for the oil is very minimal as well to ensure that there's nothing that's going to cause any irritation. It just focuses on the retinol benefits, vitamin E and squalane to ensure that your skin stays healthy. Moving on to texture, the cream has a really nice, lightweight, non-greasy application. It doesn't feel sticky or heavy when you apply it on your skin, and it absorbs almost immediately. So if you don't want anything that's going to feel like you've kept a really thick layer, this retinol cream is perfect for you. And it also doesn't cause any kind of pilling, so you can layer on any other soothing products if you want. Now when it comes to the retinol oil, I know a lot of us are hesitant with oils, especially with the hot Indian climates we live in, but you will be pleasantly surprised when you use this one. It is super lightweight on your skin and absorbs almost instantly, so it doesn't feel sticky or greasy. It spreads really quickly and you only need a little bit at a time. Even the brand suggests you only use about 1 or 2 drops. So you can ensure that your skin feels comfortable when using an oil as well. Now the best part about this is because it has squalane in there, it does keep your skin well moisturized as well, and it gives you this really wonderful soft conditioned sensation that will ensure that your skin feels comfortable and healthy. Now in terms of functions, both of them have similar functions because they are focused on being pure retinol products. The retinol cream, however, focuses on lines and signs of aging that may just be appearing, and it also helps with any kind of up-and-coming wrinkle concerns. It helps visibly firm skin texture and also smoothens out your skin. The retinol oil, however, focuses on progressive signs of aging. So if you already have noticeable fine lines, wrinkles, any kind of loss of elasticity and dryness, then this one is going to be the better option. However, if you are a beginner user, then you should definitely start with the retinol cream. Now, the retinol 0.1% cream is best for beginners who've never touched retinols before, who are new to the ingredient and need to ease their skin into adjusting to a retinol itself. Also ideal for users who are just noticing fine lines appearing, and if you haven't really progressed to a stage where your skin is already experiencing signs of aging. Or even if your fine lines might be caused by dry skin, any kind of texture left behind from breakouts, etc. Now, the retinol oil, on the other hand, is great for users who have already used some form of retinol before. It is better for intermediate or advanced users in that case. It's also better for users who have any progressive signs of aging, as we already mentioned. Or if you have mature skin and need a retinol to really boost the elasticity and plumpness in your skin and also combat dryness. Now let's talk about packaging. When it comes to the retinol 0.1% cream, because of the formulation, it has been stored in an aluminium tube for best results. And the retinol 0.5% oil comes in this type of dropper bottle, and it also closes really well with a lock sensation at the end to ensure that there is no external elements getting into your bottle and causing the effectiveness of the retinol to reduce, and it also helps prevent any kind of leakage. We hope you liked this video and found it helpful in choosing which retinol you should start with. And if you want to know more about retinols itself, do check out the other video on our channel. We'll link it up on top. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask us in the comments below and we'll get back to you. See you next time.